everybody. Here's a pretty cool exhaust fan I found here. It is made by Penn Zephyr, and it has probably the stupidest slogan I've ever seen, and probably you guys have ever seen. Do you remember when Penn Zephyrs used to have the world's quietest logo? Happily, this fan is quiet. I've seen fans like these that are burned out, but this one is not burned out. At least it does work. And let's give you guys a test. Here we go. So in case it did not catch on camera, there was some damper noise, and then the fan started up. In this case here, this fan is dirty, but it's nice and quiet, which is very good. I like this fan a lot when it's nicely maintained in a way that's the bearings don't go loose. It can use a little hanging work on the ceiling tile, and it's an older place. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Just looking up there, even though it's so dirty. Here's like the model. I don't know what model it is, but this is an old model. But it's not the oldest. Alright, let's turn it back on. Right there for you guys. So basically, this is a small version of the Penn Zephyr exhaust fans. Once again, I call it a mid blower, but it is kind of on the side a little bit. But still, you know, it's a blower that's installed like vertically. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Peace out.